Hello, welcome in our YouTube channel ERP SAP team. We are facing a problem regarding the generation of the accounting document while posting any purchase order or any material consumption or any maintenance activity through purchase requisition or maintenance order. We are facing the OPEX budget exceed problem. So you can also check the OPEX budget exceed problem using ZR55, and report group is ZFM1. Once you execute this transaction code, if I am executing, this is just a training video, okay, for the reference purpose, okay. If I am taking the fund center 3000 to OPEX commitment item in the repair and maintenance operators and plant, then you can execute this transaction, okay. You just select on this and double click on this, select on the search actual line items. Okay, so these are the actual consumption of the budget getting. This is the payment budget consumption, okay. This is the payment budget, okay. So if you are clearly observing that the sum of 19 documents, park documents, okay, some of the purchase orders, the budget consumption is like that, okay. So these are the purchase order, these are the purchase requisitions, okay, in which budget consumes, okay. So this is all about the consumption. You can check, getting my points. And if you don't know that the purchase order, or if you don't know the consumption regarding GR55, if you double click on this is the purchase order, okay. uh, if you double click on this purchase order, then you will get the details of the consumption amount, okay. If you click on this amount type, then if you go in the drop down, if you check this, 100 is the original, 200 is the reduction amount, okay. Previous year carry forwarded document, following year carry forwarded documents, okay. So if you check in the history that some of the purchase order will has been carry forwarded in the from previous financial year to current financial year, then might be chance they are consuming the current financial year budget, okay. Might be chance they are consuming the current financial year budget. So you need to identify those purchase order and reduce the amount of the purchase order, okay. And you also identify the purchase order which are created for larger amount and reduce those amount to process the bill of current month, okay. So you can identify using this report. You can also get this report in Excel format, okay. Go in the list, go in the export, go in the spreadsheet, okay. And if I am separately checking any purchase order, for example in ME23N, if I am separately checking any purchase order, then you can observe that, okay, this is the purchase order created for amount 12,600. Go in the environment, go in the account commitment documents, okay. So you will get the same information. This is the purchase order number, this is the purchase orders, amount type is original amount is 12600. Okay, and reduction amount type is 12600. Okay, and the booking in the 5020803, this is RMP or British Plant. This is a vendor. Okay, so these are the basic details available here. You can also go in the drop down, fund type, fund center name, commitment item category, financial category, fiscal year, customer field. Okay, there are so many items. Carry forwarded at year end closing. Okay, name of CO transaction, FM area currency, amount processed in a workflow, amount processed in workflow in transaction, request number, document type, all the things is available. You can include in the list. For example, I'm just going to include this document in the list. For example, um, fund type. Okay, commitment item name. Okay, what is the name of the commitment item? If you don't know the name of commitment item, then commitment item name is B10506. Then you can include all the items you want in your list, and you can analyze the purchase order. Okay, then you can exactly analyze the what amount of the OPEX budget is consuming with respect to this purchase order. So once you analyze, discuss with your concerned account officer planning that a certain amount of the budget is consuming in our purchase order or consuming in our this head, but budget is available, but we are getting the annual budget exceed error while posting some documents. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and this is the general training video for your reference purpose. Okay, have a nice day.